This is the captain speaking. In the aftermath of the attempted assassination of a presidential candidate, and they're trying to tell us that they're unsure as to what the motive is. That's only half of the story. Enter Harry Sisson, and something he had shared with his followers was this: he could send in the military to take out Trump. He has immunity for official acts now. That immunity is for presidential acts, not diplomatic immunity to commit intentional crimes. It wouldn't be very presidential to off your political rival, now would it? Let's let President Joe Biden himself clear his own name. He writes, Donald Trump is a genuine threat to this nation. He's a threat to our freedom. He's a threat to our democracy. He's literally a threat to everything America stands for. It must have been a mistake. Around the same time, we're done talking about the debate. It's time to put Trump in the bullseye, he said. We can't go another day without explaining what he's doing, and we have to go after him. That doesn't sound very presidential, and it doesn't sound like a presidential act.
And for those that are doing and saying things like this, I have one thing to say. You should hold yourself accountable, because if not, somebody else will.
Do with that what you will.